think you're going to break the chair, and then Robin is going to...
You know what's going to happen if you break that chair, Kylie? Uncle Steve is going to beat your butt.
You have to push it all the way down.
Pick your pants up! Your butt is sticking out.
Help me.
Help me.
You want to get off?
Yeah. And that's mine. That's mine. That's mine.
Nancy, pick up pants up.
It doesn't
They
go
do
up.
go up. I had them up before. There you go. Much better.
Are you much better?
I'm going to keep you to sleep.
You're going to keep me to sleep?
Yeah. And you need the blankie and the pillow. Look. Here.
Thank you.
Here's the pillow. And here's the blankie.
Thank you.
And look, don't forget, press this button.
Okay.
Put the blankie on.
Okay.
Not
Cover
this.
my feet. Watch out. I want to cover my feet.
Don't cover your feet.
Why?
You're going to lay back.
Okay.
Maybe you should sing Nanny a song
Put me to sleep.
to make her go to sleep.
You know a
You want
lullaby?
to sing her a song?
You know a lullaby?
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
We're going to sleep.
Okay. Who's up?
Me.
Oh, that you.
Who's in that chair with the red thing?
Annie. And the pillow. Hi, everybody. Me. Waking up.
No.
Button.
Only with the button you got to make the chair go up and down.
Put it up.
Go ahead, push the button.
You push the button.
Hey.
You got to stay. Either stay on the chair or stay off the chair. You can't keep going on and off the chair. Now, you want the blankie?
Yeah. I'm going to... Yeah.
Good night.
Hey, everybody, I'm out. I come to play.
You come to play? Who are you going to play with?
With you and Aunt Robin.
What are you going to play with Aunt Robin?